Alrighty then. This is where we're at. So we got the transmission in, drive shaft in, transmission subframe in. Alright. So there's our tranny bolted up, starters in. Transmission subframes in. Gotta tighten those bolts all around. Nothing's been torqued down yet. Drive shafts in. Blue tape's all just to remind me that things have not been tightened down. Still gotta connect the cable for the starter. Torque down the 2 bolts for the starter. Torque down the flywheel, 4 bolts, put that cover back on, replace those 3 bolts, and right now I'm currently running the transmission cooler lines. Like I said, I wasn't gonna put those that are just sitting in the trash right now. Hard lines back in, and this is my new trans cooler, which I got from the junkyard a few months ago. Pretty sure it was used as a transmission cooler too, not a oil cooler in any way, or engine oil cooler. Because I did find some reddish fluid in it when I threw some brake cleaner in there. So right now I'm gonna just cut about there on this one, and then cut about there on this one. So I just gotta mark them with tape, take them down, take them over to the vise, use the saw that I got sitting over here, cut it up, use a couple of hose clamps, secure them, because we don't have any kind of AN, I got AN fittings, but I don't think I've got all the right adapters needed to go to the transmission. So this is what we're going to be doing. Got to put the transmission harness back in, like I said, the torque converter cover plate, and then that's for the solenoid pack cover, just I guess to prevent exhaust heat from getting as close as it could to that electrical connection, since the exhaust is kind of right there. I am going to be looking for a set of exhaust headers, because that's those studs are broken, if you can't see. And I wasn't planning on putting or keeping these headers anyways, so I'm probably just going to be running it open headers. You can kind of see the weld right there. Someone's already welded these headers before, so that's the next step right now. And this is where we're at. But transmission looks great. Dressed up a couple extra things, you know, that I could paint. Didn't do this because, you know, I was just busy about other shit. And then that never even took down, so it's gonna look like shit. But, yeah, this is where we're at. And we should have this ready to start and run in a couple more hours. We just gotta do these cooler lines, and we should be good. So that's the latest and the greatest.